Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into crypto in 2025, you know how crucial it is to manage your assets securely. Today, we're tackling a straightforward guide on how to withdraw USDT from Crypto.com to your Arculus wallet. This process is simple, but always double-check everything to avoid any mishaps. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have both your Crypto.com account set up and your Arculus wallet ready to receive funds. Start by logging into your Crypto.com app or website. Once you're in, navigate to the Wallets section and select the crypto wallet where your USDT is held. This is usually under Balances or Assets, easy to find. Next, look for the Withdrawal option. Tap on Withdraw next to your USDT balance. You'll be prompted to enter the destination address, which is your Arculus wallet address. Pro tip: always copy and paste this address directly from your Arculus app to avoid any typos. Nothing worse than sending funds to the wrong place. Now, enter the amount of USDT you want to withdraw. Crypto.com might ask for a network confirmation, like Tron or Ethereum, depending on how your USDT is held. For Arculus, make sure it matches the network your wallet supports to keep things smooth. Review the transaction details, including any fees, and hit confirm. You'll likely need to verify this with two-factor authentication for security. Once submitted, keep an eye on your transaction status in Crypto.com. It usually takes a few minutes to a couple of hours, depending on network congestion. Head over to your Arculus wallet app and refresh to see if the USDT has arrived. And there you go. You've successfully moved your funds. Remember, crypto can be volatile, so always stay cautious. If you're new to this, consider starting with a small amount. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. See you in the next video.